Galileo's daughter was just 9 years old on a November night in 1609. That was the evening when Galileo first pointed his new spyglass at the moon setting behind the hills of Padua and began to sketch what he observed. It was the start of 8 weeks of sleepless nights spent in his tiny courtyard, suddenly transformed into the world's premier astronomical observatory.
From my observations, I have been led to the opinion that the surface of the moon is not smooth, uniform, as a great number of philosophers believe it and the other heavenly bodies to be, but is uneven, rough, and full of cavities and prominences, being not unlike the face of the earth, relieved by chains of mountains and deep valleys.
The moon Galileo saw was Earth-like, and he sketched its features with Earth-like detail. If the surface of a heavenly body resembled the Earth, perhaps the heavens and Earth were not as different as everyone thought.
Position for observation, it was closest to the Earth at that particular point. And when Galileo looked at Jupiter, he saw 3 very bright little stars, invisible with the naked eye, on a line with Jupiter. But then, since it's such a remarkable configuration, he came back to it the next night. And, well, yes, there were still... And so within a week, he realized that what we have here are moons.
4 planets, never seen from the beginning of the world, right up to our present day. These wandering little stars make their journeys around the planet Jupiter with a marvelous speed and with mutually different motions, like children of the same family.
In a little more than a week, Galileo had found the first new astronomical bodies to be discovered since ancient times. This discovery clashed with the common belief that the heavens revolved around the Earth alone. Eventually, it would bring him head-to-head with church dogma. But for now, Galileo was exuberant.
He rushed into print because he knew he could get scooped. If we